नमस्कार। योगा एपिसोड 58 में आपका स्वागत है। आज करेंगे षटकर्मा। मेधश्लेष माधिक्यान्ह पूर्वम षटकर्माणि समश्यत अनुष्यतु नश्यतानि दोषानं संभवतः। When fat or muscles is excessive, the Shatkarmas or 6 cleaning technique should be practiced before pranayama. Others in home, the dosas, the phalgam, winds and biles, vata, pitta and kapha are balanced, need not do them. Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Hatha Yoga as described in the early Yoga Upanishads was made of the Shatkarmas and is a very practiced and systematic science. Sat means 6 and Karma means action. The Shatkarmas consist of 6 groups of purification practices. The aim of Hatha Yoga and therefore of the Shatkarmas is to create harmony between the two major pranic flows, Ida and Pingula. These are attaining physical and mental purification and balance. The Shatkarmas are also used to be balanced the 3 dosas of humor in the body: kapha, mucus, pitta, biles and vata, wind. According to both Ayurveda and Hatha Yoga, an imbalance in the dosas will result in illness. These practices are also used before pranayama and other higher yoga practices in order to purify the body of toxins and to ensure safe and successful progression along the spiritual path. The 6 Shatkarmas are as follows. First, Neti, a process of cleansing and purifying the nasal passages. Particles included in the category are Jal Neti and Sutra Neti. Second, Dhoti, a series of cleansing techniques which are derived into 3 main groups. Another dhotis or antar dhotis are internal cleaning, Shirsha dhoti or head cleaning, and Hridaya dhoti or thoracic cleaning. The dhotis techniques which are given in the section clean the entire alimentary canal from the mouth to the anus. There are 4 practices. Shankha Prakhyalana, Birsara dhoti and Laghu Shankha Prakhyalana, cleaning of the intestines. Agnisar Kriya, Bhansara dhoti, activating the digestive fire. Kunjal, Baman dhoti, cleansing the stomach with water. Vastra dhoti, cleansing the intestines with air. All of these practices require the guidance of a competent teacher. 3. Noli, a method of massaging and stretching the abdominal organs. 4. Basti, techniques for washing and toning the large intestine. 5. Kapalbhati, a breathing technique for purifying the frontal regions of the brain. 6. Tratak, the practice of intense gazing at one point or object which develop the power of concentration. Advice, precautions and contradictions are given for each practice. individually and should be carefully observed. During pregnancy, only Jolneti and Tratok are recommended. Although the cleansing and strengthening effects of Shatkarmas may be beneficial therapeutically, this is not their purpose. Shatkarmas are practices to promote the health of yoga practitioners and to awaken and direct the energies in the body, mind, and deeper psyche. People suffering from any medical conditions who wish to utilize any of these practices should seek the advice of a competent teacher. The water used in these practices should be pure. If necessary, use an ultraviolet filter or boil the water for several minutes and then allow it to cool to desired temperature. Shatkarmas Bistra Dhoti Technique 1, Cleansing of entire digestive tract. Preparation. It is advisable to take a light semi-liquid meal the night before undertaking this practice. Plenty of clean, lukewarm water should be available and also extra hot water in case of the temperature of the water cools. Add 2 teaspoons of salt per liter to the water so that it tastes mildly salty. Prepare a special khichdi of good quality white rice and moong dal, cooked with ghee, clarified butter. The rice and lentils should be cooked together in water until soft. A little haldi, turmeric may be added but no salt. Finally, the clarified butter should be liberally mixed in so that the final preparation is semi-liquid. The khichdi should be eaten at the end of the practice after 45 minutes rest period. And again, later in the day, no asana or physical work should be performed and not food or beverage should be taken before commencing the practice. Not evacuating the bowels prior to the practice helps stimulate the practical movement. Light and comfortable clothing should be worn. Complete intestinal work. Drink 2 glasses of warm salty water as quick as possible. Perform the following 5 asana dynamically 8 times each in the following sequence. Tadasana, Tadasana, Katichakra.